Okay, it's mid-afternoon, what, about 2 o'clock?
Mm-hmm.
And the dome's complete. Came together real nicely.
Hi!
What can I say? I'm going to back off and show it.
It's fun.
So that's 24-foot V3 4/9 or a V3 3/8 dome. It's approximately 10 feet high and 24 feet in diameter. I don't know the growing space, but we're going to put a 64 square foot aquaponics system in there, which will contain 2 4x8 troughs and probably a 150-gallon fish tank. And we'll probably still have room for seating and a little work area. Yeah, we still need to put the door on. My camera person informed me that I'm leaving something out. But as you can see, it makes a great yard, what do you call it, playground equipment. We'll put there's a couple options we're exploring for the cover. There's a company in Canada that makes polyketer, which is sort of like a bubble wrap. And the bubbles in the plastic will diffuse the light, help light the whole thing up, and especially in the winter time, so you don't get angled sun. Plants are supposed to grow better. There's another high EF something or other. I don't know. I'll have to find out the exact stuff with that stuff that Tim was talking about. Don't want to give him any references. He's bad-mouthing people, but anyway, that's another story. So yeah, we tried a 40-footer and it didn't really come together as well, and it was massive. It was 20 feet high. We had 3 levels of scaffolding, and we were tugging and pulling. And we had a lot of trouble with it, so we scaled it down and we did the 24-footer, and it went together in hours. I mean, we started literally. Probably assembly process started about 9:30 this morning.
Maybe 10.
10 o'clock.
So we had to treat some of the boards.
So yeah, me, Patty, and 15-year-old girl put it together in 4 hours. So there you go.
Yeah, I don't have a name. I'm 15-year-old girl.
We had support from the crazy one.
Yep. Yeah, I don't have a name. I'm crazy one. I'm crazy one. Eyeball.
And maybe we want a little. What do you have to say?
I got your hat. That's what I have to say.
How do you like the dome?
I like it. It's tiny, but it's cute. And it's
Cute.
I think it'll be good.
Call that tiny.
Well, compared to the other one, it's tiny.
So we sat on top of it, we've hung from it, we've climbed over it. Sturdy. We kind of like it. Now you can see you have this pentagon. There's 6 pentagons involved in this dome. And then right over here
Now no shaking. I'm coming up.
you have a hexagon.
So you better get the party started.
And you go around and you just have more pentagons, hexagons. There's another one. Pentagon. And it'll be hexagon, pentagon, hexagon, and then the roof. There's your final. Oh, I can't get it. Well, you get the idea. That's the roof.
Oh, you shoot.
Hi. I got my dome.
Yeah, you got your crazy dream.
So go out and build yourself one and have fun. grow your own food? Thanks.